Among all the meals of the day, breakfast is often considered the most convenient one for promoting weight loss. Generally, our first meal tends to be smaller compared to lunch or dinner. It commonly includes nutritious and low-calorie options, such as fruits and whole grains. However, it's important to recognize that breakfast can still pose challenges when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight. If you're having difficulty achieving or sustaining your desired weight, it may be worthwhile to examine your morning eating habits. There are several breakfast routines that could unintentionally hinder your progress. Take a look at these 17 habits that may unknowingly contribute to weight gain. Number 1. Skipping the morning meal. One breakfast habit that can result in rapid weight gain is skipping breakfast or not consuming a well-balanced meal that is rich in fiber, moderate in protein, and carbs. Fiber and protein contribute to a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of snacking shortly after eating. A study found that individuals are less inclined to snack in the evening if they have consumed breakfast in the morning. So, it is advisable to have a satisfying breakfast. Number 2. Only drinking coffee. Relying solely on a cup of coffee, even with cream, fails to provide the essential nutrients required to fuel you in the morning and will ultimately leave you hungry. To avoid becoming ravenous, incorporate some protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs into your liquid breakfast. Number 3. Too many calories intake from coffee. When it comes to weight loss, it's beneficial to assess the nutritional value of your morning coffee. Consuming elaborate coffee beverages or adding creamers and other ingredients without monitoring the calorie content can contribute to weight gain, as these calories often go unaccounted for, leading to a calorie surplus. Instead, reserve fancy coffee treats as occasional indulgences rather than a daily habit. Number 4. Eating breakfast in your vehicle. The various distractions that come with driving can divert your attention away from your food, leading to mindless consumption. Keeping your focus on the road and trying to have breakfast at a time is not the best way to give it your full attention and enjoy your meal. Research suggests that practicing mindful eating can be an effective strategy for weight loss. Be cautious about this unnecessary habit. Number 5. Consuming fruit juice. While some fruit juices may be rich in nutrients, relying on them as a source of calories is unlikely to leave you feeling full. Moreover, most fruit juices are high in sugars, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Keep your portions of fruit juice moderate during breakfast to enjoy benefits of vitamins and minerals without consuming excessive calories. Number 6. Choosing the wrong smoothie ingredients. Smoothies can be a great way to incorporate extra fiber and nutrients into your morning routine. However, it's important to pay attention to the macronutrient balance in your blender. Choosing a fruit smoothie over a protein-rich one can contribute to weight gain. A fruit smoothie that primarily consists of carbohydrates without healthy fats and protein will not keep you feeling satisfied. Number 7. Opting for convenience store or gas station. As much as possible, it's better to avoid eating breakfast at most convenience stores or gas stations in the morning. Choosing a muffin and latte from a convenience store could lead to weight gain if you consume more calories than you require throughout the day. For example, a muffin may contain 500 calories or more with 50 grams of added sugar, and a flavored grande latte can contain 350 to 400 calories with at least 30 grams of added sugar, which exceeds the recommended daily intake for added sugar for most individuals. Number 8. Regularly dining out for breakfast. An occasional restaurant breakfast combo of sausages and eggs may not completely hinder your weight loss goals, but regularly dining out for breakfast can quickly contribute to extra pounds. Restaurant meals often feature large portions, high calorie counts, and excessive levels of fat, which are detrimental to your overall health. Number 9. Overeating after a workout. After a rigorous early morning workout or a long run, you may be tempted to reward yourself with a large breakfast. However, indulging in excessive calorie intake after exercise can undermine your efforts to burn calories. Instead of compensating with a substantial meal, consider having a balanced breakfast beforehand and enjoying a smaller post-workout snack. Number 10. Neglecting to read labels. Certain granolas can contain as much added sugar as a bowl of ice cream, and a protein bar might pack more calories than a candy bar. Just because a product claims to be healthy doesn't really make it so. When selecting breakfast foods, it is beneficial to carefully read labels. You may be surprised by the information you discover. Number 11. Not hydrating enough. Ensuring adequate water intake can suppress your appetite and boost your metabolism. If you skip drinking water in the morning, it can impact your weight loss efforts. Make water your best friend in your weight loss journey by filling up a bottle and carrying it with you throughout your morning activities. Number 12. Worst carbs for weight loss. It is recommended to avoid eating some breakfast staples prepared in traditional forms, such as pancakes, bagels, and oatmeal. They are typically packed with carbohydrates when prepared in their traditional forms. These carb-heavy options lack the necessary fiber and protein to regulate blood sugar levels, leading to a quicker return of hunger sensations. To stabilize blood sugar levels and enhance satiety, consider incorporating a protein source like lean chicken sausage or pistachios into your carbohydrate-rich breakfast. Number 13. Solely relying on protein bars. Protein bars are not complete meals and are designed as convenient on-the-go snacks. Making a habit of regularly choosing protein bars as your breakfast may leave you feeling hungrier than anticipated. Individuals who rely on protein bars instead of having a proper meal often end up snacking excessively throughout the day because most of them lack satiety. Number 14. Eating too early in the day. Eating breakfast immediately after waking up could potentially lead to weight gain. By eating too early, you might experience increased hunger by mid-morning, which may result in unwanted additional meals throughout the day. Consider adjusting your breakfast timing to prevent excessive calorie intake before lunch. Number 15. Always making low-fat breakfast. Although the low-fat trend of the past decades aimed to promote weight loss, it may not have been as beneficial as initially thought. Completely eliminating fat from your breakfast routine may not be the best approach. Healthy fats from foods like smoked salmon, eggs, and yogurt can provide satiety and serve important functions in your body. It is advisable to incorporate these sources of healthy fats into your morning meal. Number 16. Engaging in multitasking while eating. Nowadays, it's a widespread common habit that people scroll through social media feeds or reading emails while eating food. Unfortunately, using breakfast time to catch up on your favorite news sites can lead to mindless eating. Watching TV or being on your phone while eating can cause overeating without paying attention to portion sizes, potentially resulting in weight gain. So, be mindful to avoid this habit as much as possible. Number 17. Failing to plan ahead. On busy mornings, if you don't have a plan for a nutritious meal, it's easy to make poor choices. Incorporate breakfast planning into your weekly meal preparation and grocery shopping routine may be a good idea. This way, you'll have healthier options readily available to ensure you make better choices even during hectic mornings. One more habit as a bonus tip is related to enough sleep. Insufficient sleep is linked to an increased risk of weight gain and obesity. It's important to establish a consistent bedtime routine. Create a peaceful sleep environment in your bedroom and limit screen time before going to bed. By prioritizing quality sleep, you'll wake up refreshed and ready to start your day with a healthy breakfast. When it comes to breakfast habits and weight management, the main factors to consider are skipping breakfast and not consuming a balanced meal rich in fiber, protein, and carbs, which can lead to weight gain and increased snacking throughout the day. By being mindful of these factors and making conscious choices, you can support your weight loss or maintenance goals while still enjoying a satisfying and nutritious breakfast. That's it for the video today, and I hope you got value from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you never miss out on any new informative video uploaded. Remember, your health is your priority. I'll see you in the next informative episode.